Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this stitch. Now it is done like this. It's a one row repeat. One row repeat. It is done this way, but I think the pattern looks better when it's up and down. So I've done a larger blanket here. I'm working on a larger one for a car seat, and I've done my foundation chain, but I've done it so it's the length from top to bottom that I need, and I'm working across the blanket this way. It's so much easier. It's prettier, I think. I'll show you. That's it in a mixed colour, by the way. Let's get this thing. This is Karen's Simply Soft Speckle. It's really pretty. And the sample one that I've done that in the Red Heart Soft Baby Steps. And this is an Aran weight. This is a 4-weight. Little pattern. The stitch count is 2. The stitch count is 2. So I'm going to do a chain. I'm just going to do a sample of this. So you'll do your chain in sets of 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make sure it's quite loose. So even if you want, use one size bigger hook to do your chain if you do your chain too tight. Or you can just pull your stitch up a little bit as you do it. Just pull it up just a little bit like that, and that'll make sure that your chain is quite loose. So just make sure you do your chain nice and loose. So what you're going to do, you're going to go into your second stitch. You're going to go into the second stitch in your chain. Don't count the loop, count 1 and 2. And we're going to do what's called a UK half treble crochet. If you're in the USA, this is a half double crochet. Now I do say both terms because a lot of my viewers are from the USA and they have a different term from us. So to begin with, this is a UK half treble crochet and it's a USA half double crochet. So put your yarn over your hook and go into that second stitch. Go right through, pull your yarn through, and you've got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and come through all 3 loops. Go to the next stitch, yarn over and through, pull your stitch through, yarn over and pull through. Do that into every chain all the way to the end. Yarn over, through, pull through. So I've done my foundation row. So now we're going to do the pattern row. Now this pattern row is the row that you repeat every row, and it's so simple. You're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now into your very first stitch, you're going to do a half treble crochet. So in and do your half treble crochet. Now at the beginning of the row and at the end of the row you will finish on a half treble crochet. So your first stitch and your last stitch will always be a half treble crochet or a half double crochet if you're in the USA. You're going to skip this next stitch, skip that stitch, and then do a double crochet into this stitch. So just go straight through and do a UK double crochet and pull through. You're going to go back to that skipped stitch there. Now that big circle is your skipped stitch. That's it there. You're going to do a treble crochet into that skipped stitch. So yarn over and put your hook right through that stitch. Pull your yarn through and pull it up a little bit and finish your treble crochet. Now what it does is it gives it this little line and it crosses it over at the same time. skip that one, do a double crochet into this one, go back to that skipped stitch. Now don't go through that space, go through that one. It opens right up there like a circle. So yarn over and go in right through, pull your stitch up and do your treble crochet. Skip a stitch, double crochet, then work back to that skip stitch with your treble crochet. This is what you will repeat row after row. So skip that stitch and double crochet. Go back to that stitch there. Now that part is your double crochet. Don't go in there, you're going into this hole. So yarn over and go into that space. That's your skipped stitch. Skip one, double crochet into the next one, yarn over and go back to that one. So you're crossing over your double crochet. Skip, double crochet, then work back to that one there. That's it there. Now you should have one stitch left. You're going to do a half treble crochet. So yarn over and go through that stitch. Pull your yarn through. You've got 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all of them. Chain 1 and turn. You're going to do a half treble crochet into that very first stitch there. So do your half treble crochet. So now on this side, you've got, that's your little double crochet. You can see there you've got a bigger stitch and a little stitch, a bigger stitch and a little stitch. So you're going to do a skip that one and double crochet into this one. That's where your double crochet was before. So double crochet into that stitch and then work back to your skipped stitch. And again, it's the one right beside it that's made a hole. Right through and pull. Once you get into the swing of this, it is so easy. So that's your treble crochet one, but we're skipping that and going into the double crochet. So double crochet into the double crochet, then work back to that one and put right through a treble crochet. Skip a stitch, double crochet, yarn over and work back to that stitch. Now it opens itself up, that one, and you can see it looks like an eye. So you're going in through that eye. Skip that stitch, that's a bigger stitch. So you're going into that little double crochet there and do another double crochet and then into there with your treble. Work back to that stitch. So it's double crochet, skip that stitch, and look how easy this becomes, and that's the stitch you're going into, that space right through. Once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. Into that double crochet, then go back to that skip stitch, there it's there, right through, pull your stitch up, skip that one, double crochet into that one, yarn over and you're going in to the stitch that's right there, not that big space, you're going into that stitch. Go back to the stitch you skipped. So my last stitch is here. I'm going to do a double crochet into that last stitch, chain 1 and turn, and into my very first stitch, this one here, do your half treble crochet. So your last stitch will always be a half treble crochet. So here we go again. So double crochet into there, Then work back to that skipped stitch and do your treble. Skip that stitch and do your double crochet, and that is all you do. You just keep doing that. Done a bit of a bigger square, and I'm going to show you how to neaten up your edges. Neaten up your edges. Now I will cut my yarn. I'm going to stitch this in anyway. We'll neaten that up. I'll sew that tail in later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this edge. This edge is nice and neat anyway. That was our foundation row. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hook into the corner here. Into the corner. And join on my yarn down here in the corner. Make sure I've got enough to sew in the tail end. I'm going to chain one just to tighten that in. That chain one tightens away in there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to chain one more stitch, and all the way along here evenly I'm going to put half treble crochets. So yarn over and just go in to the space and pull through your 3 loops. Yarn over, go into the next space, and you should get 2 half trebles into each section. If you can see the sections running up and down there, you should be able to get 2 half trebles into each section, and that should level it off. One into there, then into the next section, and then into the next part. Just pull through, and that's going to give you the same edge as running along. That'll give you the same edge as running along the bottom. Now when I stitch my tail in, I'll stitch it to here so that it closes off that corner. So into the next section, and then one just a little bit further up. So I'm putting 2 half trebles into each section of this blanket. One into there. Now when I get to this corner, I'm going to put 3 in to get me around this corner. That's 1, 2, I'll take the tail out of the way, I'll stitch that in, and then 3. That's going to bring me around the corner, and then 1 into each stitch along the top of your blanket. One half treble crochet into each stitch along the top. So I'm putting 2 into each section on the side, 3 into the corner, 3 half trebles, and 1 into each stitch along the top this corner, and I'm going to put 3 of my double crochets in around here, and then I'm just going to slip stitch in here. I'm not going to do this top row because that was my foundation row on the bottom, and that's nice and straight anyway. Let's stitch a little bit bigger, and I'm going to pull it through there, tighten it up. Now I'll stitch in my ends, and that's once you got it all nice and straight, and that is how you do the border on this. And like I said, I like it so much better up and down the way with the pattern running up and down. It's up to you. So this is what the little square's like. This is my little sample square, and I did a half treble crochet. You can clearly see the sections I'm talking about. Put a half treble crochet here and 1 here up the side of your blanket. But with my one, I'll get my blue one back. So this is the the Karen Simply Soft speckle one that I've been making. So give this a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. It's for blankets. It's really easy. So once again, thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.